traders, this is Parthiban preparing the video for this week, 4th June to 8th June, and this is the disclaimers. Please do not trade with the money that you can't afford to lose. Always use a proper money management. Okay guys, I'm going to analyze this uh, all the major pairs and the minor pairs. This week a lot of good opportunities, so I'm going to start with GBP USD first. Okay, like what I explained last week, market still in the buyer's zone. There's earlier there was no sign of buyers, but now buyers the candles are seems to be very bullish. Okay, this is not very good price for us to buy. Don't jump into the trade. One thing certain is going to happen is market going to pull back. You can buy back at a lower price, GBPST, and the take profits going to be to this level. This is almost going to be like 400 500 pips, 450 pips. Okay, why I say the market going to make a retest at this area, because if I drag the Fibonacci, the 50 to 61% is falling at this area. There's a confluence zones over here, so there's a high chance for market to pull back and then create a new high at this area. Euro USD, there's a very good sign. Like if you see my last week's trading idea, I say this is a buyer zone. A lot of buyers can appear. There's a banker's manipulation. Conservative entry is triggered. A lot of buyers entering their position. You can buy here or buy at a pullback, and your next target is at this area. So sellers will try to defend this price, and they try to sell as much as possible this area to maintain the downtrend. So this is a very good buy area. You can buy now or wait for the pullback. I'm not sure whether you will get the opportunity or not. Then you can buy at this area. How about USD CHF? Um, I'm still staying out of the market. If you compare to my last week's trading idea, I said I'm staying out of the market. If market reach this level, I'll sell. If market reach this level, I'll buy. So at the moment it's just ranging here, so I'm staying out of the market for USD CHF. How about USD CAD? Okay, USD CAD, I want you to focus one thing. One thing is very unique about trading. If you see this chart, what you should see, there's actually few hundred millions of traders are trading this pair, and the emotion is reflected on this chart. So one thing very certain is each time price reach this level, 1.30 level, sellers are appearing. They're selling, they're selling here. And what taking place at the buyer side is buyers are buying from this lowest price, buying slightly higher, buying higher, buying higher and higher. So buyers are willing to buy at a higher price, and the sellers are defending at only at 1.30 level. So the buyers sentiments are increasing. Buyers are willing to buy at the highest price. That means the market has high potential to break higher, because more buyers are placing their orders. Okay, this, and if you ask me, if price pull back to this level, you can place a pending order, place your stop loss below this, and you can expect them to take profit at this level or grow your trade. Okay, New Zealand dollar is a fantastic trade. I was like analyzing the chart. There's a confirmation banker sign, conservative trade entry is triggered, pullback. A lot of buyers are placing their orders. So I was like, if the market retests to this level, I wanted to buy, but it didn't trigger. Okay, actually I took this trade last week in a different account. Later I'll show you the trade, buy trade, because it's already at the bottom. So we bought, and next target is to this level. A lot of sellers are waiting at this level, 71.76. Okay, Australia USD, a fantastic trade too. That was very clear, shoulder, head, shoulder. If you see last week trading ideas, pullback, retest, this is a very good area to buy. If at all you place your order last week, you would have made about under 20 pips profit. And there's a banker's sign, conservative trades triggered, pullback, order flow clearance take place, and market is advancing higher. So now this is a very good sell area. You can go short without confirmation. Why I say good sell area? If you see this, these are the 61.8% of FIBO. A lot of sellers will place the orders here, and this happen to be our key level. Okay, USD Sing dollar, like we mentioned, this is the high. Each time price reach this level, you can go short, and buyers are waiting at this zone 1.3287. So if the price reach this level with the confirmation, you can buy. Okay, and how about USD yen? Last week actually I mentioned the key level to be this level. From this point it was short. If you saw the video and short, you would have made about under 20 pips last week. But Thursday and Friday was NFP. Usually price action traders would not be trading on Friday, first week of Friday, because NFP, a lot of volatility, a lot of noise in the market. So if you ask me, I would say uh, market have formed shoulder, head, shoulder, penetrated retest. This is a very good area to go short. Market's going to bleed down, so you can wait for the confirmation and to go short here. But this is a very good area to go long. Expect the market to rise higher. Australia yen, a very good range market. Each time price reach here, a lot of sellers are appearing. A lot of sellers. And each time price reaching here, a lot of buyers are piling their orders. So now price is heading to this level. You can go short. Place your stop loss above this level. Aussie cat. Aussie cat is actually quite bullish at the moment. With the confirmation, probably you're gonna wait another one more day. If you see a confirmation like a pin bar or anything, you can go short. But this is a counter trend because market is actually uptrend. Selling here is a counter trend. What you can do is you got two options. If market pull back to this level with a confirmation, you can become a buyer to bring the price higher. So, or you can go short at this price to this level. Australia Swiss franc. One thing is very certain. This area, a lot of sellers, millions of sellers are placing the orders, sell orders. Now buyers are bringing the price to this level. But you got to see one thing over here. One thing very clear: the buyers actually bringing the price higher, 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 and sellers are defending this price consistently. And buyers lost their ground, sellers pushed the price, and buyers again bringing the price to the same level. One thing you must realize: sellers are very consistent. At the same time, buyers are very determined to break this level. So there's a huge volatility going to take place at this level. And how can we determine that? You can check Forex Factory. There must be some news, Australia or Swiss franc this week. So which a lot of volatility going to take place at this key level. Euro GBP. These are the key levels. I will stay out of the market because it's ranging and it's a bit choppy. Okay, Euro CAD. This is a buyer's area and this is a seller's area. This is the same like a goal. The market actually forming a shoulder, head, shoulder. What I expect is market to penetrate high, like this, retest, a lot of buyers will place the order, then can bring the price higher. So this is what we can expect from this market. And Euro Audi, not so good trade. Euro Yen, okay, Euro Yen is a bit interesting. See, this is the key level where a lot of sellers are placing their pending orders here, and buyers are placing their buy orders at this level. This is the best price to buy. Okay, you must realize one thing. Let me illustrate something. Let's say this is fourth floor, and this is the first floor. A person dropped from, and this is fifth floor. Let's say assume a man fall from fifth floor to the first floor. Do you think he has a strength to climb up back? He must take a rest. But what's happening over here? After a huge drop, market is impulsively going up. This is purely a manipulation, and what I can see is a massive sell-off going to take place at this zone to this level. And why I say this level, if you see this Fibonacci, it falls at 61%, 61.8%. A lot of sellers are looking at this, they'll be selling. So you can trade in H4 with a confirmation to go short at this area. So you have to learn how to filter the manipulation and trade within the manipulation. Euro New Zealand dollar, it's a very good range market. Each time price reach this level, you can become a buyer. Each time price reach this level, you can become seller. So now price at this zone, you can buy with a confirmation, but there's no buying confirmation at the moment. So I'll just observe this trade. Euro Swiss franc, it's a very clear uptrend. Why I say uptrend? High, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and I can consider this as a higher high, higher low, higher high, still higher low. So you can wait for the market to pull back anywhere here, buy, place your stop loss below this, take profit to this level or further high. So but one thing is you can make an entry here, manage your trade at this level. GBP Swiss franc, there's actually a banker sign. This is a double bottom, and this is the double top. Market have created retest. There's a confirmation. You can buy anywhere here, place your stop loss below this, grow your trade to this level. GBP Audi, it's actually heading to this level. You can wait for market to react this level. With a confirmation, you can buy and grow your trade to this level. GBP Yen, okay, if you see the trade is similar to the Euro Yen that I mentioned. Market, okay, let me show you this. This is very interesting. Market try to break, fail, try to break, fail, penetrated, try to break, fail, retest, retest, try to break, there's a manipulation, try to break, fail, penetrated. Now it's retesting here. High potential for market reach here. So this is a very good area to go short. On top of that, if you drag the Fibo from this level to this level, it's at a 50 to 61.8%. A lot of sellers will be selling at this zone. So I want you guys to take this trade and be profitable. And GBP New Zealand dollar, see market try to break, fail, try to break, penetrated, retest, 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 retest. So now one thing is very certain is each time price reach this level, a lot of buyers are placing the orders. So I want to follow the crowd. So I don't want to go sell at the lowest price. I want to be the follower where a lot of buyers are piling up their trades here. So just follow them and be profitable. Gold, like I mentioned last week, gold stuck in a range market. So it's just ranging here. So now those who have saw the trade, this you would have placed your pending order here. Now the next target is this level. You can close your trade and place a pending order. Try to continue the goal as much as it goes. So guys, I think that's all for this week, and I'm going to show you the Forex factory. Like I mentioned, the Australia and Swiss franc, buyers and sellers are getting strong. Something going to take place here. Let's see the news. Okay, wow, today is bank holiday, but still a lot of movement on New Zealand. Okay, Tuesday, Reserve Bank of Australia rate statement, which is very high impact, and GDP, trade balance. Okay, this week a lot of Australia past news, which gonna create a lot of volatility here. I would say stay out of the market for Australia. If you want to trade, take the extreme point. If you want to place a buy order, wait for this area, or sell order, wait at the highest price, because during the high impact news, you might get the spike might help you to trigger your limit orders. Okay, guys, that's all. Safe trade. I'll be releasing the last week's market analysis, the outcome, probably tomorrow morning. So hope you guys follow this channel. And I want you guys to visit the priceactionguru.com page and benefit from the trading ideas. Good luck. See you guys.